Okay guys, today in this video I want to show you how you can make between $100 to $200 weekly with your smartphone through affiliate marketing. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into my screen. How to make $100 to $200 weekly with your smartphone even if you're a complete beginner. Before we get further into it, let me tell you who this training is for so as not to waste your time. This training is for you if you fall into any of these categories. It is for you if you're a young person worrying about what the future has in stock for you. It is for you if you're a student or a corp member looking for a passive stream of income. This training is for you if you're a 9 to 5 worker working yourself to the bones just to earn below your input. This training is for you if you're looking for a steady, secure and legit source of income, whether you have something doing already or you don't have anything doing. If you belong to any of these categories, then this presentation is for you. Just sit back, avoid distraction and let's ride. You're welcome. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through a business model that we all have engaged in one way or the other and still pretty much engaged in, and will still engage in time coming without our knowledge. The only difference between yours and mine is that I get paid for mine, but you don't get paid for doing yours. My promise to you is that I will show you step-by-step strategy for starting and building this business without having to create any product, import any product, deliver any product, or handle any customer service, but yet earn a life-changing income. Few things to note: this is not a get rich quick or a do nothing and get paid kind of business. This business takes some effort. The good thing is that if you can devote a couple of hours per day to it, your efforts will be rewarded handsomely. This business is one that can fund your dreams and other ventures you intend to go into. Who am I? My name is Kale Baba. I am an agronomist, I am a digital creator and a marketer, and I am also a personal development coach. I love sharing the knowledge I have about anything I find profitable, and today I'm going to be sharing with you for free a top selling digital skill right now in the world. What is affiliate marketing? How does it work? How do you earn? I'll break this down in the simplest manner you will ever come across. Affiliate marketing is simply selling other people's products and getting paid a commission for doing so. In the most simplest term ever, affiliate marketing is being the middleman between a vendor and a buyer and actually getting paid for it. There are several affiliate platforms in the world like Amazon, AliExpress, Digistem, Konga, Gigi, BetNaija of course, and the rest. But for today, I'll focus on Digistem. How does it work? Affiliate platform hosts different products, physical or digital. You register as an affiliate, get your own unique link to those products that is coded in your name. So when someone buys through your link, it tells the platform it was your link used in buying the product, and hence you get paid a commission agreed. How do you earn? Once someone buys from the platform using your link, the platform is notified that a sale has been made through you and your agreed commission will be paid to you immediately. Mostly, all products on Digistem platform earns you a 50% commission. That is to say, you make half the money and the vendor also makes half the money. The beautiful thing about this is that you can be sleeping and sales will be made. So, of all platforms, why Digistem? Number one, you're not restricted from joining to become an affiliate no matter where you live. 2. You're paid consistently every week without failing. 3. Wide range of products across several niches to pick from to sell and earn daily. 4. All products are completely digital, hence no hassle about logistics. 5. No age restriction. 6. Support tool for you on the go. Now, how do you start? First, you register as an affiliate on the platform. Choose any product, promote it, get paid every weekend. Benefits of being affiliate on Digistem platforms: you get to win trips, you win awesome prizes, you make great connections, you win cash while you still earn your weekly commission. Now you may be thinking, all this is fine and good, Caleb, but I am a complete novice. I don't know how to sell online. I can barely operate my smartphone. So how do I find people who will buy from me? Well, that is where I come in as your coach. I'll hold you by the hand, guide you, and give you a support system that will guide you through it. But now let me ask you a question. If shown how to join DigitStem so you can get started and start earning commission today, will you let me help you? If your answer is yes, I want to get started today, here is exactly what to do. What you need to get started: you need just your smartphone and an internet connection. I'm sure that you're watching this video most likely with a smartphone in your hand. And then you need to get the DigitStem UMM course. The course is the ultimate money machine. Why do you need the course? You're going to learn the following skills from getting the course. You're going to learn affiliate marketing in full. You're going to learn how to run Facebook ads. You're going to learn how to run Instagram ads and copywriting. You're going to learn sales closing. You're going to learn WhatsApp marketing. You're going to learn graphic design skill monetization. You're going to learn content creation, audience building with free traffic. These are just to mention a few. Also, you're going to get a free affiliate account. You're going to get the UMM course and a pre-done affiliate marketing resource. You're going to get our secret strategies that has helped a lot of affiliates to rake in millions. You're going to get access to weekly live sessions to share new hacks and strategies. Now, what are the value of all these things that you're going to get? Learning the affiliate marketing skill alone costs about 20k, Facebook ads 15k, how to run Instagram ads and copywriting costs about 30,000, sales closing costs about 10k, WhatsApp marketing costs about 10k, graphic design skill monetization is going to cost you about 20,000 naira. To learn content creation should cost you about 15,000 naira. Audience building with free traffic is a skill that is going to cost you 10k. This alone is about 130,000 naira, and you also be getting the free affiliate account that is worth about 5,000 naira. The UMM course alone is worth 20,000 naira. The pre-done affiliate marketing resource is worth about 40,000 naira. And the secret strategies that you're going to have access to that has been able to help affiliates rake in millions is also worth about 30,000 naira. And you're also going to be getting access to weekly live sessions. Access to weekly live sessions to share new hacks and strategies is worth about 40,000 naira. This alone plus the skills you're going to learn, the skills is about 130k. All these that you're going to get is like 135k. If you add that together, that's about 265,000. All you're going to get, both the resources and the skills you will learn, is worth over 200,000. But guess what? I have a crazy offer for you. As at the time I'm making this video, you won't have to pay that much to get the UMM course. All you need to pay is just 20,000 naira and you get started. To get started, click on the get started link in the description below. Go through the process, make your payments, and you see another link. That's a link to my WhatsApp. Send me a DM with the proof of your payment and get started on. And if you don't want to go through that process, you can just straight up send me a message in my WhatsApp. The link is also in the description. That's the second link in the description, and then we can get started. Also, if you have questions and you seek more clarity, you can comment your questions or send a DM to my WhatsApp. Hurry while the offer lasts. It's not going to last for too long. I'll be waiting for you. Goodbye.